This is an historic moment.
Dun, 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 dun.
Dun, dun, dun.
We bought this beautiful Slovenian farmhouse 2 years ago, and when we first looked around, we knew it was absolutely perfect for a small hotel. There are these wonderful hallways, massive rooms, even a historic black kitchen for serving guests hot soup after a day out in the mountains.
It had bags of character, so we knew that guests would love staying there. The only problem was, where were we going to live if we spent all our money on a hotel? Luckily, there was a surprise upstairs. The attic is over 140 square metres, and it was all just waiting to be converted into our home. But repurposing this massive space became a much bigger mission than we thought. We never realised how much work we'd have to do just to put a roof over our heads.
Talking of roofs, the current one was constructed in 1885, and to put it mildly, it was showing its age. We really wanted to keep the original tiles, but the best we could do was replace like with like. Traditional concrete speechak tiles used on many of the houses in our region of Slovenia.
Wow.
It looks so delicate without its tiles. It kind of makes you realise how fragile the houses we live in are without their outer shields. Work began, but then the worst winter in 43 years arrived.
This winter is very hard, but once we started, we must finish. If this was before, I don't even know it we started yet.
Finally, after 45 days of battling freezing weather, the roof was complete. Not only will it keep the house warm and dry for decades, now the attic is ready to be turned into our family home.